Here's an update coming in on the Rajasthan audio gate. Union Minister Gajendra Singh Shekhawat has been served a notice by the ACB for his voice sample. The Congress, remember, has alleged that he tried to destabilize the Ashok Gehlot government and have released a series of tapes claiming that Gajendra Singh Shekhawat can be heard speaking to the rebel MLAs. Now, it is based on this that you are seeing an investigation for which his voice sample, the Union Minister's voice sample, will be collected. Remember, the BJP has in fact dismissed all these allegations of the Union Minister's involvement, but now the Anti-Corruption Bureau has served a notice to Gajendra Singh Shekhawat asking for his cooperation in getting his voice sample. So his sample can actually be in fact verified based on what has been released in the audio tape to find out if it was indeed the Union Minister or not in those audio tapes released by the Congress. We're already seeing the Special Operations Group investigating this particular case. Now the ACB, the Anti-Corruption Bureau, also stepping in and serving a notice to Gajendra Singh Shekhawat. We'll have to see exactly how the Union Minister responds. But so far, his statement with regards to all of these allegations is that he has not indulged in any wrongdoing and that it's not his voice in the tape. Dev Ankur is joining us with more details on this. Dev, even as you know, we're closely tracking what's happening in the Rajasthan High Court, this particular issue, this political controversy over the audio gate also now heating up. We understand that Shekhawat has been served a notice. I think we've lost that connection with Dave. We'll go across to him in just a bit for those updates. But we are awaiting any statement from Shekhawat at this point on the notice that's been served by the Anti-Corruption Bureau.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.